Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to link to another page on your Wix website. If you've ever wanted to help visitors navigate your site more smoothly, whether you're sending them to your About page, your latest blog post, or any other spot on your site or beyond, linking is essential. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to confidently connect any button or text on your Wix site to another page, making your site more interactive and user-friendly. So let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're logged in and head over to your Wix website editor. If you haven't worked in the Wix editor much, don't worry, it's a pretty intuitive space and you'll get the hang of it quickly. One little tip before we start. Sometimes the Wix editor can feel a bit zoomed out, especially if you're working on a large display. To get a closer look at the details, go up to the upper right corner and click that zoom in icon. It's marked with a little plus sign and usually says plus 50%. This will increase the zoom so everything looks a bit larger on your screen. It might sound like a small step, but trust me, being able to see what you're clicking on clearly can make all the difference, especially if you have a lot of elements on your page. Now find the button or text you want to turn into a link. For this example, I'll use a button, but keep in mind the process is virtually the same with text or images. Just click directly on the button you want to edit. You'll see a few icons pop up around or above it. Take a moment to make sure you've selected the right object, especially if you have several buttons close together. If you want to link some text, just highlight the words and look for the linking options that appear. Next, look for the little link icon. It usually looks like two connected chains or links, pretty fitting, right? Click on that link icon. This is the gateway to connecting content all across your website or even out to the rest of the internet. On the link settings panel that pops up, you'll see a few options. Since we want to point to another web address, go ahead and choose web address. You might use this if you're linking out to an external page, but it can also be for another page inside your Wix site if you grab that page's URL. Now in the box that appears, simply paste the URL of the page you want a link to. You can copy this address from your browser's address bar or from your site's menu. Double check that you've got the full address right, no missed characters or typos, because this is where your visitors will go when they click your button or text. Right below that, you'll see an option that asks how you want the link to open. I recommend selecting New Window. This way, if your visitors click your link, your site will stay open in their current tab, and the new page will open in a separate tab. It's a little thing that makes your user experience smoother, and it can help people explore your site without losing their place. Once you've done that, just hit Done. Wix will save the link settings right away, and that's all there is to it. You've successfully linked your button or text to another page. You can preview your site to make sure everything works just how you want it. And there you have it. Linking elements in Wix is quick, straightforward, and incredibly useful for creating a website that's truly interactive. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, and if you have any other questions about building your Wix site, just drop a comment below. I love helping out. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy web design tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.